crash? I crashed with one. Wow. And I'm dead.
Where were you, Ben?
West side, near the road.
West side.
Okay, I'm gonna go try to grab a gun. If I don't get a gun here, this guy's just gonna camp us, and we're just gonna have to respawn to the base.
They took all mine, so I don't know how they.
Come here, you little bastard. I'm gonna teach you how to punch a wolf.
Took all my. Oh no, they didn't take. Yeah, they took all my ammo.
I know they lose is good. I usually can't take all other people's weapons.
Were there only 2 people? Or is that their base?
It's probably their base.
Yeah, probably is.
Wow, I'm at DeSoto's again.
I'm on my way. I'll be there in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, I got all my shit, but all the ammo's gone, so I'm running back up the
Yeah.
hill.
My body's on the north side, between the houses and the shops. There should be a boulder nearby, closer to the building, on the north side, where it starts to drop down.
I can't remember where DeSoto's is.
Their base is probably right on this.
It's probably those fuckers that got us that one time, Dozer. You, me, and Gillis.
Ben, where did you get shot from?
I don't know, dude.
The thing is, we're just gonna keep running back, and they're just gonna keep shooting us till their buddies spawn back. They have guns, we don't.
Yeah, I mean,
If we don't have any ammo, then we're totally like fucked.
We're just gonna keep running back and dying to them again.
Unless we can grab our shit.
I got my shit with no ammo though. They took all the ammo. But I have all my weapons and backpack, chest armor, everything.
Yeah, but a lot of that stuff's easy to replace.
Right, right.
I mean, we can let him have it, and we can all just make a run to the dam and get most of it replaced in one run.
And there's usually people in the dam, so that'll be fun too.
I want my fucking 308 back. That's my dad's.
My dad gave that to me. It means a lot. Then I had to kill him because he turned into a zombie.
Killed my first nigger with that rifle.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, they got
Oh
me.
jeez.
Again?
Again, yeah, dude.
I
they're just
redact
running.
that statement.
Yeah, we just gotta get out of here. I mean, we took their car.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm heading back to the base. I don't know how to get in, but I'm heading back. And don't say your code because I am streaming.
Alright.
So, we should not say the N-word?
I would prefer that, yes, thank you.
I apologize.
It's gay. Okay, there's 3 bags where I died. So I think, Nick, you might have killed one of them, and then I
Who's
killed
on the
one of
Who's
them.
on the road running east right now?
Not me.
Is anyone running on the road right now?
Yeah, Nick, you should just get home.
I am. Is it a person or a zombie? That is a zombie. Oh, God, they act like humans so many sometimes. I'm heading home. I mean, I got my shit with no ammo. It's not bad. So.
Well, the ammo's the
Save
main
us a-
thing, though.
Right, but it'll save us some body armor and some helmets and shit. I mean, I can't go in there and just give the shit back to him, you know?
No. I carried very little ammo, so whatever.
Yeah, I didn't have much. I didn't even have a whole clip.
They are
So
still...
we only killed one of them, or 2 of them?
Well, Ben, I said, who's on the side of the building? Me! No, it wasn't you, Ben.
Hey, we got their truck, so 4 of us can roll on a truck.
There's
and
4 sides to a building, Dustin. It's a funny thing about buildings.
Hey, we got a truck, so 4 of us could roll in the truck and do something while the other 3 or whatever we have can do something else too.
Fuck themselves.
That'll be totally fine not rolling on a truck.
Say something funny.
I'm back to DeSoto's, guys.
Huh?
I
Good
don't
luck.
think you want to get to this.
Yeah. You get yourself killed. You're gonna be on another long run. There's people. Is somebody on the south side of Cranberry, just outside
Yeah.
town,
It's me.
heading
I see
south?
him running north.
I'm
Oh,
heading
there's
north.
people watching.
I'm
They're
heading
leaving
north.
DeSoto's.
You're heading north. Okay, somebody's off to the west side of the road, south of Cranberry. Just ran
That's
up
me.
the hill. Oh, okay.
It's me.
Yeah, but you're heading south. That person was
I'm
heading
coming
south.
up by a trailer park here.
Oh, heading north. Oh, there's a bear.
Most dangerous animal in this game.
The most dangerous, more dangerous than the guy.
That's
with the
me
shotgun.
coming in on the south side of
The
Cranberry.
guy with the shotgun has a chance to miss a shot, and then you end up running away. A bear, you see a bear, and he aggroes you. See ya.
Alright, I will need somebody to open the door to the base. The little one, the back door. I assume that's the back door.
The front door.
Don't worry, guys. I stole their mom's fresh chicken.
Oh, that's our Dusty.
Always pulling his way.
Is there anybody in the base?
Not currently. I'll be there probably in 3 or 4 minutes.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Ow!
Wait,
Zombies.
who's by the trailer park right now?
Me?
No, it's someone else.
Are you shooting at me? Are you shooting at someone?
God damn it! You fucking chased me that far?
Oh my god, no, that's not me.
I tried axing him.
What trailer park though?
South Cranberry.
Yeah, there's somebody running into one. I have no fucking ammo.
Well, there's a base right by it, and there's like, it's like,
Is it the water
It's like a
tower?
circle of trailers.
I found a first aid
in
kit.
like a hole, right?
Oh, there! Oh my god.
Where are you guys at? South of Cranberry?
I'm still at the sodas.
I can't hear anything for all the fucking zombies chasing
I
me.
have 3 bears, I have 3 wolves on me. I'm gonna die. Oh my god. I'm at 1% health right now. Someone just opened this fucking door right when I get there.
Well, they're chasing me.
I'm like a hole, right, Doug?
What's that?
Not
Oh,
really.
you're not talking.
Top of the road.
That road that was like south.
I can't hear anything because all the zombies. Holy crap. That is a lot of freaking zombies.
So yeah, those dudes left the Sotos. Shit. I got my rifle, shotgun, hat.
Yeah.
Yeah, they should all are fucking out.
Is anyone in the base? Because I don't know what to do. I'm at 3% health with 3 wolves chasing.
I'm getting there.
I am at the base, but I can't get into it, so I'm just running around and aggroing all the zombies.
There.
I'm gonna keep running around like shit until I see knocked out.
I'm gonna draw these zombies away from the base. I'm heading south out of Cranberry.
Alright, I'm heading north into Cranberry, so. And I have 3 wolves on there, like I said, a hard time because it's pissing me the fuck off.
You got 3 wolves on you?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll bring my big horde of zombies up that way and see if I can have them intercept those
I think I'm
wolves.
right now.
Oh, you're
I am the zombie wrangler.
I'm 1 minute away.
Me too. Open the back gate now. Flash.
Alright, I'm heading up the main road north out of Cranberry.
You in the back
Almost
door?
there. I
think
see
I
the
see
horde
you
of
down.
zombies.
You're going down the hill right now, right?
Yes.
To your
Right.
to your right. So that's a tight start.
Okay. I'm gonna open the that gate.
Keep
Go
going.
to the front. Open that.
Yeah, go down there.
fucking huge. What's on the shoulder?
Come on, zombies. Let's go. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Hey guys, check out my zombie army. I've got a zombie army. And there's a wolf. Hello, Mr. Wolf. We got zombies who want to meet you.
Like 7 308.
Yeah, don't go ham with the ammo.
Not anymore. I mean,
Not after that shit.
we gotta go kill some people and take their fucking ammo.
Yep, we lost a good amount there.
So what do you think? So if I have a 308, just a pistol then probably?
Can anybody open the little door on the base?
Yep. Okay, I'll do it right now.
I'm done playing with my zombies. Hey, somebody just went into that house over there.
Okay. I don't think that was one of us.
No, he had a shirt on, so.
Oh, you're earthy. Hey, buddy.
Hi.
Aren't we supposed to go this way?
I don't know where I'm going.
What,
I
the
just
house right next to us?
respawned.
Luckily, I didn't have a weapon, or I would have shot you very good.
Hey, Dollarwise, the house right next to us?
Yeah, the brick one, the brick
I
and
still didn't
siding.
have an invite to the group,
Okay.
so
That one.
if I could get that, it'd be handy.
You fuck yourself.
I don't have anything, so
Very
they
good,
shoot me, no real loss.
You're not in here, you're Dozer boss, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna, if you paid him like that, that'd be perfect. I mean, you
Yeah,
gotta-
I can go out there. Yep.
No, just do it right, stay right there.
Oh, okay.
Is it 2 Z's or some shit?
Just one. Dozer boss.
DOZERBOSS?
Yep.
Any spaces?
No.
No.
Well, I can't add you.
B-O-S-S.
I can't add you.
I don't see him, man. I don't know if he's still in there. Maybe he.
Yeah, this happened to us yesterday too. I don't think you can get out the other way, so he'll come out soon.
Gearing back up.
Gotta be getting fucking close.
Are we? Is this to DeSoto?
I've never seen that church though. Where the
I'm at
fuck
DeSoto.
are
The footsteps sound.
we? Look at how big these bases are.
Yeah, Levis, I was being chased by a whole mess of zombies.
You see that base?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? I do have a
We are
first
out
aid
of
kit.
shotgun ammo.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the church. Alright. So yeah, we gotta go this way. I thought we were a little closer.
I think we gotta have our best guys with real guns and everybody else with pistols.
That's not a
One
bad
gun
idea.
each.
I just wish they had a little more AR ammo in this game. Like, so hard to get.
Well, those military bases, I'm sure will have a good amount. At least
Yeah, you
stacks
think
of
the
like
police
5, right?
station would have some fucking.
That is annoying. The police station has body armor and military backpacks and... Oh, there he is. I see
There he
him.
is,
Yeah,
there he
he's
is, there he
he's
is.
got a bow, I think.
Yeah. Nice, you got him. I'll go get his stuff. Well, I can't go get his stuff. I've got nothing to carry it with.
Oh, I don't know, any backpacks in here?
There are, but there's a guy. He's got a shirt on. Oh, never mind.
Center base.
Yeah, but it's just okay. It's
Yeah, I'll go check that guy for ammo for sure. Yeah, I'll get you a backpack quick. I'll try to shoot another guy.
I had a hatchet you.
what's the point? I don't remember. No, that's not the point.
See, they had nothing in their trunk, which is strange to me.
They had scrap metal, but I put it in one of our cases.
Okay.
With like 5.
I'm gonna go get a real axe.
Yeah, I was not able to grab my battery or spark plugs because
Oh,
they
look
took
at
my
this
backpack.
horde of dead zombies.
Hey, Dollar, come here.
Yeah.
Come right here. In these boxes right here, there's like 100 backpacks and body armor.
Oh, nice.
Can you move so I can get out of the door quick?
No.
Go into the
That is a fine answer.
I'm just gonna actually. You know what? I'm gonna take the crappy blue one.
Why? There's like 7 military backpacks.
That's true. All right, fine. You convinced me.
If you look